Nitro Man Matt 101 here with Tramp Board, and first we're going to show you Sucky, and then we're going to show you Awesomeness.
Yep.
And here's Sucky.
I know I suck, but you should thank me.
He can't even do a 360.
I know I can't, but I ski.
Hey, he's a skier. That's why we call him Sucky.
Yeah, I suck at snowboarding, but I'm great at skiing.
He is, it's true.
Yeah.
I suck at skiing, but I'm good at snowboarding.
Yep.
Okay, 10 more seconds. 7. 1, time's up. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Take it.
He thinks he's tired.
I'm not tired. It's just...
Gotta get off. Let me bind you.
Now it's Nitro Man Matt 101's turn. But he's just getting binded. Right now.
Push it at the ground, Casey.
Sorry.
Say sorry, viewers. Okay, here we go. Almost there. One more clip after this. Sound effects by Tracy.
How about the wagon thing?
Yeah, we'll do that after. Oh yeah.
After this snowboard, tramp board special, we're gonna see me and Matthew die on wagons.
Yeah, it's gonna be called Wagon. Okay, here we go. I'll start out with a 360.
Let's see. Oh, nice.
Tail grab. Double hand back to tail.
Yep. Got it. How about a rodeo?
Front grab. 180. Let's get some more height.
Oh. Oh.
Indy.
Oh.
Okay, last trick.
Let's see it.
It's either going to be a 360. Front grab 180. Front grab 180 or 360. No. Front grab 360 or 360 rodeo.
Let's see it.
Rodeo's dangerous. The other one's dangerous too. Here we go. I missed the rodeo, so.
Let's see a backflip.
Let me get pumped up.
Oh!
Holy crap!
Do that again. Do that again. You're gonna have to do that. You're gonna have to do it again.
Oh, fine.
You're gonna see it. Get forward.
Checking my findings. Yeah.
Oh! Alright. That's it. That's it for tramp boarding with Nitro Matt 101. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Is it off? Oh.
I don't know how to turn off this thing.
See ya.